Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and these are application instructions for applying press-on nails. And today we are going to be applying, just on one hand though, press-on nails that I custom made. Yes, I did custom make these to my hands, but hey, it all works. So I'm showing you guys all of the supplies that you'll need. I showed you guys how we had a cuticle pusher, a buffer, file, nail glue, lint-free wipe, and alcohol. So we're going to follow the first step, which is remove all of the nails from the packaging and fit them. Now I custom make these press-on nails, so they're automatically going to fit your nail. Now you can also use this video for nails that are not my press-ons but you get from the store, and of course they just give you a whole bunch of different random sizes, so you're just going to want to make sure that you take out the nails and make sure that they fit. This would be a good time that if you do get custom press-on nails and one fits too big and the other one is too small, that you can let the person that made your nails know that, so that they can get that fixed for you. But we're just gonna make sure that all of the press-on nails fit correctly. So now we're going to move on to step 2, which is complete nail prep. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to file your nails. And when I say file your nails, I mean you're going to take length off. You don't have to, but you can. And also we just want to make sure that our nails are nice and even, that they're nice and rounded if you prefer a rounded shape, and that they are to your liking. Now this is an extra step. You do not have to do it, but I like doing cuticle work. So instead of using a cuticle pusher, you can use the back end of your nail file to push back those cuticles so that you can get in and you can do this prep. You do have to be careful, and you only want to use light pressure. You do not want to be jamming it back, trying to do no. You're gonna have some bloody cuticles and some sore cuticles. Now the next thing I do is I go around, and this is optional as well, but they do teach you this in nail school because you don't have any drills there. But you are going to take your file and you're going to go around that cuticle, and you're going to just file and make sure that you're getting that extra skin, that extra debris off of your nails, so that you're gonna have a better adherence of the nails. So you want to go through and make sure that you do this as well. This, you do not want to do it very, very hard. You want to use light pressure because you don't want to cut yourself with a file. And I have a different video on that where you need to take a file and dull the edges of your file so you do not cut yourself. But the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go in with your nail buffer, and you want to make sure that you remove all of the shine from your nails. You are going to do this with light pressure as well. So you want to make sure you do not see any shiny spots on your nails. Now this is typically for if you want your nails to last a longer amount of time. I would say that this would work up to probably 5 days to a week, if longer. I've only gone 7 days, and I ended up having to soak mine off completely, which is not what you want to do. But this will last you about 5 days or so. So next, what you're wanting to do is, this is an extra step. Now if you want like longevity, you can take the buffer and you can go inside of the nail and remove the shine from the inside of the nail. That is going to give you maximum adhesion, and your nails is going to last. Okay, they are going to last, and you would definitely have to wear them until they fall off or start lifting if you want to preserve your nails. So the last thing we're going to do for nail prep is we're going to wipe our nails off with an alcohol wipe. It is going to be an alcohol wipe for you at home. For me, I have lint-free wipes with 91% isopropyl alcohol that I like to use because I don't like the lint being on my little fingers. I don't like it. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to apply nail glue to our natural nail as well as to the press-on nail. Now, it's really up to you. You can just add press on or nail glue to your nail and not the press on and do it that way. I just like to do it this way because, like I said, it gives me maximum adhesion and it allows my nails to last a little bit longer. So as you can see, you're gonna hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. That'll be enough, 5 to 10 seconds, and they will adhere. So my pinky nail is the last one, and I have it on all of my nails. Y'all, these nails was cuter than I thought that they was gonna be. But they are very, 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 very cute. I love these. They're like spring with a little dash of razzle dazzle. Okay, last step is to apply cuticle oil. So shameless plug, I make cuticle oil, so I'm gonna go in and use my own cuticle oil. This is in the scent Japanese Blossom. I do have other scents as well. My website will be linked below where you can go on and you can purchase, but we're just going to go through and we're going to put some cuticle oil on. I did get it on the matte nails, but all you have to do is if you have matte nails and you get cuticle oil on it, just take an alcohol wipe and make sure that you wipe that off, because it will come off and your nails will go back to that matte texture that they did have before you got cuticle oil on it. Just give them a few seconds to dry. So yeah, y'all, last step is that you can come to my channel and watch.